You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase. If you want to learn more legal terms, including expressions from Latin like this that are confusing but very useful to know the correct pronunciation of, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you need to watch. The writ is how it's pronounced of English pronunciation here. Habeas, the Latin pronunciation would be habeas. Corpus, English again. So in English pronunciation, habeas corpus. Latin pronunciation, Habeas Corpus. In English, writ of Habeas Corpus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.